Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to give you an impartial review when I am covering 5 best margarita machines in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, I am trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is Ninja Food Processor for frozen blending. With the Ninja Master Prep, crush ice into snow, blend frozen fruit into creamy smoothies, and chop fresh ingredients evenly. The interchangeable 400-watt power pod quickly switches between the 48 ounces pitcher and 16 ounces chopper bowl for added versatility and functionality. Pulse technology provides convenient one-touch activation to control the consistency of your drinks and meals. Simply press down on the PowerPod pulse paddle to activate. Create creamy frozen drinks and desserts in 48 ounces pitcher. Chop fresh ingredients evenly in the 16 ounces bowl for salsas, dips, and spreads. All jars, blades, and splash guards are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe. Frozen blending and perfect, even chopping. 2 conveniently sized jars. Easy to use. Ergonomic operation with one-touch pulsing creates an easy-to-use and safe product. Anti-spill splash guard, easy flip pour spout, and no-slip base. 2-cup processor minces, dices, chops, blends and purees. Do not immerse the power head into water, or any other liquid. Use a damp sponge to wipe clean. Containers, splash guards, blades and storage lids are all dishwasher safe. It is recommended to place the blades, splash guards and storage lids on the top rack of the dishwasher. Use extreme caution when cleaning and handling the blades. Always store blades in containers or safe areas. If the motor doesn't start, check that the plug is securely inserted into the electrical outlet. Check that the bowl splash guard and power pod are securely in place. Number 2. Our second best pick is Margaritaville Frozen Concoction Maker. With the Margaritaville Bahamas Frozen Concoction Maker, you can create amazing tropical drinks that will have your neighbors peeking through the fence to see what all the fun is about. Margaritaville Frozen Concoction Maker shaves ice and blends it carefully with your fresh juices, fruits and other ingredients to produce up to 36 ounces of restaurant-style frozen drinks. Pre-programmed automated setting to shave and blend to perfection. Manual settings allow you to customize drinks to a texture befitting your personal taste. Rear reservoir channels away melting ice so drinks don't get watery while standing. This is a great machine. You fill up the measuring container with triple sec, tequila, lime and orange juice and margarita mix up to the marked lines. Throw in some ice cubes at the top and it does its thing. Perfect margaritas in about 30 seconds. There's an option to make either 36 ounces or 56 ounces of margarita. 36 ounces makes about 3 margarita glasses. 450 watts. Retro-style plastic pitcher with marine detailing on the backsplash. Quick start guide. User manual. Measuring shot glass. Number 3. Our third best pick is Rabbit Freezable Cocktail Maker. Easily make frozen cocktails in your freezer. Margaritas, froze, pina coladas, and more. Simply fill, freeze, squeeze, and serve. Set includes silicone cocktail carafe, neoprene sleeve, lid, stir spoon, and 6 unique recipes to get you started. Fill the silicone carafe with cocktail ingredients. Cover with lid and place in the freezer overnight. Remove from the freezer and wrap carafe with a neoprene sleeve. Squeeze in the sides with your hands until desired consistency is reached. You can also use the muddler and stir spoon for extra mixing. Pour cocktails into glasses using a stir stick and enjoy. Easy way to make frozen cocktails. Plenty for 2 people in the size of a container. Takes about 2 days in the freezer. So plan ahead. Frozen margaritas and daiquiris are now on the menu. Super easy device. Just fill it with your cocktail and put it in the freezer overnight. Frozen roses are awesome. Includes a recipe booklet for preparing 6 unique frozen cocktail recipes. Makes 4 to 6 servings. Carafe. Top rack, dishwasher safe, sleeve. Wipe clean. 10 years warranty. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Margarita Girl Double Bowl Full Size Margarita Slush Frozen Drink Machine. The Double Full is a commercial grade frozen drink machine that's popular with low volume bars, small restaurants, and wedding venues. Just pour in your favorite mix: margarita, daiquiri, pina colada, hurricane, soft drink, or wine, and the machine will turn it into a tasty slush drink. Each side has a separate control panel so you can run one or both sides of the machine, depending on your needs. The freeze time varies depending on room temperature and alcohol content, but is typically 2 hours per batch. This machine plugs into a standard 120-volt power outlet. The machine works great. When we use it, we have it set up outside, so even with the liquid pre-chilled, it still takes upwards of 2 hours to slush. We have had it at other people's parties and it's always a hit. I would definitely invest in a refractometer to take the guesswork out of whether your concoction will slush or freeze. It will open up your range of drinks to make beyond the standard recipes. The machine is definitely worth buying if you entertain often, especially with families. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Huron Hexa Power High Speed Blender. The Hexa blade formation creates a tornado within the container for the deep blending that ensures rich texture of the blended product. The powerful motor combined with strong Hexa blades enables fast, stable, and complete blending. The powerful 1600 watts motor blends up to the speeds of 30,000 RPM. The manual dial range is from 16,000 to 30,000 RPM that will custom blend any ingredients. Cased in a stainless steel outer shell, our blender is built for long-term usage. The large, 2-liter container is made of BPA-free triton, which makes it lightweight and without any concerns for endocrine disruption. To prevent the motor from overheating, the power is shut off when the heat reaches its limit. If the container is lifted off the base while in usage, the operation stops immediately. You can use this powerful blender every morning for your smoothies. This blender is very powerful. The smoothies come out very smooth and delicious. You will feel so glad if you purchase this Huron blender. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback. Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.